Namaste, Soul Circle! I'm Steven.
I'm Candice.
And we're from Arcana, Mind, Body, Spirit, located in Toronto, Canada.
Today, it's all about fire moons.
Oh yeah, baby.
And discovering what your moon sign is about, but also what it impacts and why it's so important. So let's dive in and see what it's like to set your emotions on fire in the best way possible.
I mean, I get it. I am a fire moon.
Yeah, I know. we heard you.
Every video.
Yeah.
We got it. You're a fire.
Yeah.
You're a fire.
We'll understand more about those moons in a few minutes.
Let's do it.
Most people know their sun sign or have heard about it at least. The classic line, "Hey baby, what's your sign?" That
works
kind.
every time.
I mean, if it's worked for you, please leave a comment below. Your sun sign is significant to who you are at your core, what your driving force is, and all the ways that you express yourself, like your personality. It's basically how you experience the world around you. Think of it as being what you want. Your moon sign, however, is more about who's behind the curtain, or in comparison to the sun, it's about what you need. It's your soul versus your identity. The moon sign is all about processing feelings, the subconscious of your deepest emotions. You could say then that if the sun is the driving force behind self-expression, the moon is the driving force behind your emotional expression.
Your moon sign also represents how you nurture yourself instinctively. What is self-love for you? How do you feel your way through loss, joy, fear, excitement? You can easily check on your own chart online by visiting sites such as astro.com or astrocafe.com, or you can take advantage of one of Arcana's many services, which is our virtual natal chart journey. Just head on over to www.arcanamindbodyspirit.com and go to our service page. You'll be able to enroll on that, and then we can get you started.
So regardless of how you do it, once your chart is in your hands, you'll notice it's broken into 12 sections for each of the zodiac signs, Aries through to Pisces. If the moon is orbiting in the domain of Sagittarius, that would mean you're a Sagittarius moon. So look for that little crescent moon symbol on your chart, and alas, where she be is your moon sign. Again, we can help you with this as at first glance, looking at your natal chart, it can be kind of overwhelming.
Absolutely. That's why we're here. So let's get things started. When you think of Aries, the words that come to mind would be determined, enthusiastic, impatient, impulsive, aggressive, Candice. No, they're optimistic, they're honest, and brave. Aries as a sign is all about making the first move. They love thriving in fun, exciting challenges that express the innate leadership qualities they possess.
Some of the characteristics and self-expression for an Aries moon placement. Chances are your emotions can go off as hot as fire and be as big and as loud as fireworks, but like a match, it goes out just as quickly and can cut like ice. Be ready to face absolute brutal honesty with how this moon sign feels. The journey for these moon signs will definitely include learning how to channel and control emotions and intense outbursts. When failure hits, turning complete blame inwardly is a hard lesson for an Aries moon. They can be super hard on themselves. That said, the way these emotions come out as a big spark that goes out quickly means it's more likely for an Aries moon folk to not hold grudges or linger in emotional hurt.
Because they are seekers of the truth, this can lead to confrontation. And there's a need for change and being stimulated. Nurturing themselves comes from honest, healthy, evolving growth. A lack of expected stillness and routine is not what their hearts need. Independence and doing things on their own for themselves or for justice is what feeds their soul. For example, Angelina Jolie, Rihanna, Janet Jackson, Whitney Houston, they're all strong leaders. They like to live independently. They want to make their mark and leave their mark.
Yeah. These and other Aries moon people have a pure heart, a loud and assertive heart, busying themselves when upset. Unevolved Aries moons can become one of the most emotionally unhinged moon signs, creating toxicity in their life, which is an interesting transition into love and relationships for the Aries moon. You'll often find yourself jumping into romantic entanglements quickly, risking the option of your feelings and attraction burning out just as quickly as they begun. Aries moon signs show you what they want you to see, therefore making a deeper connection difficult, and at times feeling like your Aries moon partner is aloof. You'll find emotional comfort with a fellow fire moon sign because they won't get burned from the emotional spitfire and raw honesty.
Yeah.
Someone with a moon sign whose natural tendencies for nurturing themselves is as dynamic, independent, playful, and changing as an Aries moon. Gemini and Aquarius moons are also compatible with Aries moon signs. Friction may arise with moon signs in Libra, Cancer, and Capricorn.
Let's start talking about career here for that Aries moon. So feed into the need of creativity deep within yourself. Get your ideas out there. Speak up. Your ideas and what you fight for is for the greater good. And that natural leadership and starter pioneer energy makes you a great addition to any team, or the ammunition to start your own business. Your enthusiasm in your workplace also makes you an asset. Careers like a detective, a bounty hunter. I'm pretty sure you'd be great at all of that. You're good at figuring things out, following the clues, asking all the right questions. Legal professions, even the military, crisis management, analytical work, or even mechanical careers would be fantastic for all Aries moons. Right? This is also interesting to really look at the different profiles that sort of differ away from just the sun sign.
Yeah.
So
it's also interesting when you think about, like, when I'm thinking about the Sagittarius sun signs that I know, and then I just really want to pull every single person I know. I want to pull their chart.
Yeah, I want to know
so
everything about all of them.
This is how you are. This is your sun sign, but what is actually your moon sign? Right? Like, I want to see.
I want to see that back door.
Yeah, exactly.
So be sure to comment below and let us know what your moon sign is and how you identify with it. And make sure you come back next week when we jump into our water moon sign.
Spoiler alert, that's me. So hit like and subscribe to our channel so that you can find your way back to us. In the meantime, Arcana releases 3 videos a week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. On Mondays this month, we will be discussing the different phases of the moon and how you can use their energies to manifest change in your life. Wednesdays, we will continue on our moon sign journey, and on Fridays, we'll be starting our goddess series.
So excited about all of this. Thanks for being here today. Many blessings, and we'll see you next episode.
Much love.
Namaste.